In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a funk track using Suno AI in Chrome. Whether you're experienced in music production or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, allowing you to create your own unique sound. First things first, begin by opening Suno AI in your Chrome browser. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so to access all the features available to you. You'll want to click on the option to start a new project, setting the stage for your funk track. Now, one of the key elements to begin with is choosing a dark, lo-fi beat, which perfectly matches the moody atmosphere of funk music. If you're feeling creative, you can even craft your own beat from scratch within the platform. Once your beat is ready, it's time to enrich it with typical funk elements. Let's start with adding an 808 bass. This will give your track that deep and resonant feel that's characteristic of funk music. From there, consider incorporating vintage samples. These could be anything from old school hip-hop snippets to obscure audio finds that give a nostalgic edge. The inclusion of slowed vocals is another hallmark of funk, adding an otherworldly and sometimes haunting dimension to your track. Now that you've built the basic structure, it's time to get creative with filters and effects. Playing around with these elements can imbue your music with a retro, gritty vibe that funk enthusiasts love. Think heavy reverb, grainy distortion, or vinyl crackle effects to really transport your listeners back in time. This is your chance to experiment, so don't hold back. Try different combinations until you find the mix that resonates with the sound you're aiming for. Another crucial aspect to consider is the tempo of your track. Funk typically sits comfortably around 90 to 110 beats per minute. Adjusting the tempo within this range can help you hit that sweet spot where everything feels balanced and cohesive. Test your track at various speeds and go with what sounds best for the mood you're trying to convey. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything sounds, ensure you save your progress. Exporting your funk track is the last step, making it ready for sharing with the world or just for your own personal enjoyment. Whether you plan to upload it to a digital platform or use it in a mix, proper exporting preserves all the careful work you've put into crafting your sound. By following these instructions, you can create a funk track that's truly unique and reflective of your personal style. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go back and tweak different elements until you're fully satisfied. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and I hope you're excited to explore more possibilities in music production.